The Federal is organizing the Kanyakumari Mini Marathon 2024 to commemorate Mother's Day and Nurses Day this year on May 12. This event is sponsored by Repco Home Finance.
On Wednesday morning, May 1st, police officials reported that over 100 schools in Delhi and one school in Noida received bomb threat emails leading to widespread evacuations. As per the Delhi police, bomb threats were directed at several schools including Delhi Public Schools DPS units in Dwarka and Vasant Kunj, Mother Mary School in East Mayur Vihar, Sanskriti School, Amity School in Pushp Vihar, and DAV School in Southwest Delhi. During the search operation, one of the schools, Mother Mary, had to halt a midterm exam that was in progress. DPS Noida also received a similar threat. After receiving the threat, the school premises were evacuated and the students were promptly sent home.
It's a very serious thing and it's happening again and again. बार-बार हो रहा है ये. It's third time हुआ है ये. And it's a serious thing. हमें I think हमारे अब AI है, सब कुछ है, काफ़ी advanced हो गई हैं चीज़ें. तो हमें ये ढूंढना चाहिए कि ये emails बार-बार कौन भेज रहा है. Rather than हम अपनी पुलिस को जिनके पास already बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं देखने के लिए, हम उनको busy कर देते हैं. And then kids also suffer. उनको क्या पढ़ाना है, सब कुछ future होता है, सब busy.
At 6 a.m., DPS Dwarka received the bomb threat, prompting the immediate dispatch of Delhi police personnel, multiple fire tenders, and the bomb disposal squad to the scene. Police officials stated that despite a thorough search of the school premises, no suspicious items were discovered. Meanwhile, Delhi's Lieutenant Governor went to DAV school in North Delhi's model town after the schools received the bomb threat via email and said that the Delhi police were working extremely hard.
मैं इस बात को दिल्ली की जनता को एश्योर करना चाहता हूं कि दिल्ली पुलिस पूरी तरीके से मुस्तैद है और हमारी कोशिश होगी कि हम किसी भी अप्रिय घटना को नहीं होने दें. वो ठीक है, कुछ फोर्सेस हैं जो इस तरीके की हरकतें कर रही हैं. जैसा मैंने कहा कि दिल्ली पुलिस उस पर काम कर रही है, हमको लीड्स मिल रहे हैं और उनको पकड़ लिया जाएगा और बहुत सख्त कार्रवाई की जाएगी.
Likewise, searches were carried out at the campuses of Mother Mary School, Sanskriti School, Amity School, and DPS Noida. The principal of DPS Noida stated in a release, Delhi Public School Noida has received an email posing a threat to the safety and security of our students. As a precautionary step, we are promptly sending students home. Initial inquiry indicated that the IP addresses associated with the threatening emails originated from outside India. Delhi police suspects the possibility of masking the IP address through a VPN. As per the Delhi Police IFSO unit source, the language used in the email server appears to be Russian. Efforts are being made to trace the IP address of the individual sending the email. The Union Home Ministry has also stated that the threats seem to be unfounded and there is no reason for alarm. Emphasizing that it appears to be a false alarm, the government assured the people that the Delhi police and security agencies are following standard procedures and taking appropriate measures. In the interim, Delhi Minister Atishi affirmed that government officials are maintaining continuous communication with both the Delhi police and school authorities. She also urged parents not to be alarmed. Upon receiving notification from local police, the school premises were evacuated with visuals capturing parents rushing to collect their children. Bomb detection teams, bomb disposal squads, and officials from the Delhi Fire Service were promptly dispatched to the schools. As a precautionary measure, some schools, even those not directly threatened, have opted to dismiss students early.
The Federal is organizing the Kanyakumari Mini Marathon 2024 to commemorate Mother's Day and Nurses Day this year on May 12. This event is sponsored by Repco Home Finance.
Subscribe to the Federal's YouTube page for more news and updates.